What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Acura Smart Key remote fob. This Acura key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing down this release here that my finger's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this silver piece right here. What I'm going to do is use the emergency key to pry against that, and it's going to open up the key fob case. So I'm going to kind of put the tip in here in the bottom like this, and then I'm going to come under that silver piece and pry up like that. And continue to hold the fob with the buttons facing down just to help keep them in place. So once we get that back cover off, we see our battery right here. Now I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver and get under the edge of the battery and get it out of there. You may be able to do that with your finger, but I find it easier with a flathead screwdriver. Then we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And in that holder, you see one side kind of has a metal piece. I'm going to start that edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we'll snap our two halves back together. And on the front, if any of your buttons have moved out of place, go ahead and get them back where they need to be first. And then snap that all the way back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.